Good day. This tutorial is about how to create a stem and leaf plot from ungrouped data. In this example, we have a table shows IQ scores for two classes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25 number of samples. To create a stem and leaf plot, first is to arrange your data in chronological order in terms of the number of digits, but in this case we don't need to. Next step is to create two columns. The left side is the stem column, and for the right side is for the leaf. Next step, starting from the smallest number. The smallest number here is 82. It is in the 80s category. Alongside with 82, we have 87, 89. So what are we going to do? We are to place the first digit here at the stem part, and the second digit or the rightmost digit to the leaf part. So this is for 82, and then we have 87, 8 here in the stem, and 7 for the leaf. Then we have 89, we have 8 here in the stem and 9 here at the leaf. For the second row is for the next larger digit, which is the 9 or the 90s category. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So we place 9 here in the stem, and the second digits to the leaf. We have 93, another 93, we have 96, 97, and 98. So you can see the pattern here. And for 3-digit numbers, we place the two first digits or the leftmost digits to the stem part or the stem column. So we place 10 here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this category. We place the 2 for 102 in the leaf part or the leaf column, 103, 105, 106, 107, and 109. And then we will do the rest until we reach 185. Okay, now we have done all the numbers into the stem and leaf plot. To know if it is correct, count the number of digits in the leaf portion. It must be 25 samples. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20, 24, 25. This is correct. For our next example, we have this raw data. We will do the same procedure as of our first example. We create a stem, and leaf portion or columns. We may arrange this in chronological order, but because this is a small group of numbers, we will just cross out the used numbers. We will seek the least digit or the smallest digits. We have 5, 7, 8, and 8. It is in the ones digit category. So we will place it in the first row. For 5, 5 is represented by 0 and 5 because it is also 5, meaning in our stem part is 0, and at the leaf part is 5. Then we have 7, and we'll have 2 8s. In the tens part, we have 12, 13, 16, and 17. So we place 1 here and 2 here for 12. We have 13, 16, and 17. For the 20s part, we have 22, 24, 25, and 2 28s. For the 30s part, we have 32, which is 3, and 35. So we have only 1, which is 42, and 2 here in the leaf column. We will now count the number of digits or numbers in the leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So should be 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So our stem and leaf plot is correct.